Hello guys, let's learn about how to map Bitirx24 extension with FreePBX. First log in your Bitirx24 account. Go to in your profile. Check your email ID and extension number. These email ID and extension number should be same in your FreePBX account. Now open your FreePBX account in browser. Click on Applications. You will see many options in drop-down. Click on Extensions. You can check here in extension text box. It should be same as in Bitirx24 account. So, we have mapped extension number. Thank you.